In the following demonstration, FITA will provide an insight into best practice installation techniques taught on training courses using a wide range of products kindly supplied by our sponsors.
In this demonstration, I'm going to be looking at how to install luxury vinyl tiles, also known as LVT floor coverings. They're a designer product, and with this, it really is, the imagination is your limitation. You can create bespoke designs, you can have straight lane, you can incorporate names, pictures into these floors. They really are a phenomenal product. There's various systems for installing. We've got the dry back version, which we're going to be fully adhering to the subfloor. You've also got underlay systems. Make sure you use the recommended underlay from various manufacturers. You also have the interlocking tiles as well, known as click LVTs. As you can see on the stand, I've got products from AW, which is the Invictus floor coverings, and I've also got Carning's Van Gogh, Carning's Night Tile, and again the Invictus tiles. When it comes to doing my end cuts, when you're installing LVTs, it's always best to use the back marking method. The next row, I'm making sure I'm in line with this tile. Now I'm on to my last row. It's the same process, it's just back marking, exactly the same as these walls up against that one, and then the corners are back marked with those in as well. We finished the installation, but if you notice, I've actually dry laid the whole area. This product, or all dry back LVTs, do need to be fully adhered to the subfloor. Always consult manufacturer as a recommended adhesive. You could be working in areas subject to excessive moisture, or areas subjected to fluctuations in excessive heat. You can use wet set adhesives, you can use PS adhesives, but again, always look at the areas you're working with.
For more information on this video or to book on a FITA course, all the links are in the bio.